Hi, I'm Stacy with VA Partners, and today I'll be talking about how to use AI tools for B2B marketing to scale your business. When it comes to using AI tools for your business, it's important to understand that content is the backbone of any B2B marketing. It's how businesses like yours build your brand, nurture leads, and drive revenue. However, when it comes to scaling a B2B content strategy, it can be very overwhelming, and we find this with a lot of our clients. That's where AI can be the solution for you. It's a powerful tool to help marketers streamline processes, create impactful content, and drive measurable results. And here's how you can do that effectively. So let's take time to understand why AI is a game changer for B2B marketers. The first, it's efficiency at scale. AI tools can analyze vast amounts of data to perform tasks like content creation, personalization, and optimization much faster than humans can. This allows you to scale operations without sacrificing quality. AI tools can also be cost effective. Investing in the right tools is more economical than hiring additional team members or external agencies. And personalization is made easy with such tools. They let you tailor your content to specific audience segments, improving customer engagement and conversion rates. And lastly, consistency and output. With AI, you can maintain a high and consistent level of quality across all of your content. Let's talk about ways that you can integrate AI into your content strategy. The first, automate content ideation and topic research. I use this a lot when it comes to creating content. Sometimes I hit a creative block and I really struggle with ideas for content ideation. AI tools like SE ranking, which we use at VA Partners, SEMrush, and Answer the Public can help you analyze industry trends, popular content topics, and keyword opportunities. These platforms provide actionable insights like what topics your target audience is searching for, how your competitors are performing, trending conversations within your niche, and this allows you to leverage these AI platforms so you can ensure that your content ideas are aligned with your audience demands and industry trends. Additionally, AI tools like Jasper, WriteSonic, and ChatGPT can assist in creating content faster and with greater accuracy. These tools are great for generating outlines for blogs and case studies, writing drafts with SEO best practices applied, and paraphrasing existing content for different formats, such as emails or social media posts. They can significantly reduce the time required for editing and polishing content. You can use AI to fast track the ideation phase or enhance existing marketing copy with engaging tweaks. When it comes to personalizing your content for your B2B audience, AI really excels at analyzing customer behavior and segmenting audiences. Tools like HubSpot allow marketers to deliver customized content through tailored recommendations, adaptive email campaigns, and dynamic website copy. Personalization is particularly effective when it comes to B2B marketing. With AI, it enables you to deliver relevant solutions to different buyers, whether they're in procurement, IT, or business development. And AI can really help enhance your SEO strategy. With search engine optimization being so critical for driving B2B content visibility, AI tools like SE ranking and Moz simplify the process of optimizing your content for higher search rankings. These tools analyze top ranking articles for your target keywords and provide actionable recommendations such as optimal keyword density, related topics to include ideal content length, and internal and external linking suggestions. AI can also streamline distribution and scheduling. Creating great content is only half the battle, and then having it distributed is equally as important. AI tools like Hootsuite and Buffer can optimize when and where your content is being shared. These platforms analyze audience behavior, determine the time to schedule a post based on engagement trends, provide insights on platforms that are most effective, and you can use AI to ensure that your hard work reaches the right audience at the right time. As with all things marketing, it's important to always analyze your results, and AI can help you do this. With tools like Google Analytics 4, they can help track metrics such as content performance by topic, lead generation, customer engagement by audience segments, and when you're armed with this data, you can really refine your content to align better with your goals. And AI doesn't stop there. It helps you stay ahead of the curve. It's becoming the backbone of a lot of data-driven strategies across all industries. For B2B specifically, working with AI means simplifying workflows, managing extensive content demands, delivering a hyper-targeted customer experience, And the key is to see AI as a partner, not as a replacement. There still requires human intervention. It has the power to transform the way businesses engage with customers. In conclusion, it's really important to harness the full power of AI to help elevate your content strategy. If you need help getting started, connect with us and we can help you get started on your AI journey today. You can reach out to us at vapartners.ca.